this lesson, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Pythagoras Theorem. It's used to find the missing side of a triangle, and we must remember that it's only a right-angled triangle. And you must take that into account. It does not work for any other triangle. So what exactly is the Pythagoras Theorem? Well, it's a squared plus b squared, and it equals c squared. A, B and C represent the three different sides of the triangle. Now, let's look at an example. If we have a right-angled triangle, remember, 90 degrees, and we have A here and B here, and we're asked to find this missing side, we first of all identify if we have been given the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. Now, if we have, we take away. And that's because no side is ever longer than the hypotenuse. So this becomes a squared minus b squared, which gives us c squared. We then root that answer and get our final answer here. What happens if we are not given the hypotenuse? Well, what will happen then is that we do add, as the hypotenuse, like I've said before, is the longest side of a triangle. So we get a squared plus b squared, which equals c squared. Then we root that answer to get our final answer here. Now, one way to shorten this here is just to put it all in a root. So we have a squared plus b squared in a root, and that will give us our final answer in its true form here. Hopefully you found this video useful and interesting, and I'll be posting more videos on Pythagoras with questions that I go through, and I'll also be looking at trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, sine, cos and tan. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out the other videos on HKN Studypedia.